Hey folks, I thought I would have a little bit of fun, so I'm playing around with my iPhoto booth on my Mac here. And in the background here, you can see a picture I took last year when we were in Cape Town. So this is what you can look forward to, one of the vistas of the ocean and the mountains there. So you get to see Cape Town as you get to meet me a little bit. So welcome to the team. I'm really pleased and excited to be working with all of you. My name is Sharon Peters, obviously. I think many of you know me already, and I'm looking forward to seeing how the team dynamics work because I think we have an awesome crew, and I've been looking forward to getting you guys together to meet each other. I live in Montreal, Canada. I am a teacher of English and computer studies at a school called The Study. I have a master's degree in educational technology and a background in teaching English. I guess I'm going to be the team leader or helping out Noble with that this year. Um, and looking forward to it. In the last couple of weeks, as I've been off on my March break, I've been dealing with a flurry of emails from Africa and from some of you, and it's been quite exciting and thrilling to watch some of this all come together. I'm supposed to share with you my pet peeve. I guess it's a dirty sink. Dishes in a dirty sink. So just so you know, when we start kind of living together, as we will be for several weeks, that's one thing that's one of Sharon's pet peeves. Looking forward to hearing your voice and seeing your faces. I hope you'll take up the challenge and post a movie video in the Moodle, which John has so nicely set up for us. And as I said, I'm looking forward to seeing you all contribute something to that Moodle area. Okay. Nice to meet you, and hope to be catching you online sometime. Bye for now.